Students, you have to go to the first floor classroom and find the answer for the question. Whichever group finishes first and messages me the correct answer will be the winner of today's contest.
How do we do that? It is neither a quarter circle nor a semicircle.
I have an idea. This is to do with the angle of the sector. Let us measure the angle. Angle of the shaded sector is 20 degrees.
Angle of the shaded sector is 20 degrees. Radius is 21 centimeters.
The area of the circle is pi r squared.
Ducks found that?
Yes, Monko. Think how many degrees are there in a circle?
Ho! 365 degrees!
No, you are confused with 365 days in a year. 360 degrees in a circle.
How do we use the 20 degrees and 360 degrees?
Area of the sector is fraction of the area of the circle. Yes, that fraction is 20 degrees divided by 360 degrees equals 1/18. Yes, that fraction is 20 degrees slash 360 degrees times 1/18.
Let us calculate step by step.
Calculate the total area of the circle of radius 21 centimeters. 22 over 7 times 21 times 21, which is 1,386 centimeters square.
Area of the sector is 118 centimeters square, to 77 centimeters.
If you want to learn maths in a fun way with Monko, like, share, and subscribe to Animated Maths for All series.
Thank you for watching this math lesson. We hope you enjoyed learning about the area of a sector with us.